Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the fabric so you can work precisely. Gently flatten the item and secure it with pins. Once done, inspect the snag closely to decide whether it's a loop or a broken thread, because that determines the repair method. Make sure to have a fine needle, matching thread, tiny scissors, tweezers, and a magnifier ready. These let you manipulate individual fibers without widening the damage. Begin at the outer edge, so you control tension and avoid creating new pulls. You now work the snag into the weave. For loops, insert a fine needle under nearby threads and pull the loop through to the fabric's interior, which hides the excess. For broken threads, use the needle to weave the loose end under adjacent warp or weft strands so tension spreads evenly and the hole shrinks. Once positioned, make 1 or 2 tiny securing stitches on the backside. If fibers still flare, apply a minimal drop of fabric glue or fray preventer and let it dry fully before moving on. You finish by concealing and stabilizing. Once glue or stitches are set, gently trim any hidden excess fiber close to the interior so the face remains smooth. Then press the area with a cloth at the garment's safe temperature to relax fibers and blend the repair. Make sure to inspect under light and stretch slightly to confirm stability. If a small hole forms, place a backing patch or darn from the backside using matching thread and weave direction. Troubleshooting tip: if repair puckers, loosen stitches and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.